Hi guys, and welcome to the JKD Diaries. I hope you're all doing well. So today I thought I would record a I'd do a food entry, and we have guests coming over, and we're doing a seafood throwdown, guys. There is everything: calamari, fish, king prawns, tiger prawns, some crabs, and it's just gonna be an amazing night. I thought I'd bring you along on the journey, and yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love it a lot if you kindly subscribe to my channel and join the JK Diva fam. I'm gonna show you around, show you what I'm up to. I'm probably not gonna record the part where the guests are here because I don't know if they're down for that. However, let's see how I get this cooking going. Everything is probably gonna be grilled, and there is gonna be some skewers, there is gonna be some salsa to go with the seafood, there's gonna be some bomb salad, and I hope you're ready for this diary entry because I am. In the meantime and in between time, please share my videos, give it a like, and leave your comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. I will take you around, show you what's on the menu tonight, and yeah, I hope you do enjoy this vlog. It's kind of like a cooking video, but I'm gonna record it vlog style, because why not? I feel like you guys enjoy vlogs, so I'm gonna show you what I get up to for the evening, and yeah. It's not really that secret.
Yes, it's very secret. Or taking this off.
It's bad enough I have to see the eyeballs.
Good.
Over here, I just put the calamari in hot water because that's how you clean it. I'm gonna add some to the soup, and then we're grilling the rest of it. And then we've got the rest of the prawns over here, which are gonna be skewered. And yeah, that's some garlic. The ginger's being taken care of over there. I've got my workers taking care of that. And yeah, I will bring you along on this journey, and I do hope you enjoy. I'll show you everything, of course, how I get down, what I get up to, how I prepare everything, and all the cooking part. So please stay tuned, and I hope you do enjoy. Bye. So, what I've done so far, I have stuffed the fish with some coriander and some onions, and that's just the leftover. And right now, I'm just gonna make some salsa with the rest of that. I'm just gonna wash my hands quickly. And yeah, get to doing the chocolate. Look at these bad boys. Some king prawns in the house. We are grilling them as well. Here's the crabs. They're ready. Everything's been cleaned. And the prawns have been deveined, well, except for this one, of course. She's going on, he is going on the grill like that. And there is some, what are these? Oh no, this is the king prawn. What am I even talking about? There is the king prawn. That's a tiger prawn. Okay, so king prawns, this one's for the soup because I'm making a seafood soup as well, and that one's for the grill. For my seasoning, I've got coriander, spring onions, I've got these peppers, I don't know what they're called, I've got onions, and I've also got some bell peppers, as well as some tomatoes for the salsa, and I've got some lime. And in here, red, green pepper, bell peppers, onions, and I'm gonna add some chili pepper, like the big yellow habanero, and I'm gonna do 2 of those actually, just for heat, and I'm also gonna add some ginger, cause why not? And that's my rubbish bag, cause I'm not doing multiple trips. Gotta make life easy for yourself. And there goes that. So I'm just gonna wait for my ginger and whatnot to come. But in the meantime and in between time, why don't you subscribe and share my videos? Give it a thumbs up if you're into content like this, and also leave your comments. Let me know if this is the kind of thing that you'd like to see on my channel, because I told you I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of diary entries. So I will catch up with you in just a little bit. Bye. Calamari here. That's calamari in his house.
I'm gonna get you more subscribers.
Are you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you're planning on doing that how?
Recording it.
What? You're also going to be recording me? Oh my god, I'm too spoiled for choice today. So, just chopping up my calamari. Hi, Sophie.
I'm sponsoring your channel. I hope you like that.
You're sponsoring my channel?
Yeah, I really hope you appreciate it.
Okay, I do.
I'm doing with it with fans.
Really? You have fans?
Yeah. I have 64 followers.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. That's cool. Are they gonna run over to YouTube and subscribe? I hope they do.
I hope they do too. See? I have 17 likes too.
Wow. You do have
I'm also
followers.
presenting my profile pictures to what I drew.
Okay.
I drew myself.
This is the best bit of the calamari.
Look, I drew myself.
I love this
Mommy,
bit.
I drew myself. I drew myself with braids.
Oh wow, cool.
Nice, right?
This is my favorite part. All of this.
What is that?
Calamari that you love eating so much. And now you want to act like a freshie. Like you don't know what this is. This is going in the
I thought it was
soup.
something else.
No, this is what I'm putting in the soup. For flavor.
Okay.
And I'm going to be smelling so fishy. Excuse you, young lady. Do you mind? I need for people to hear what I'm recording. Thank you. This is all going in the soup, guys. It's all going in. Okay. The ginger's here. This bit, I don't know. I don't like chewy stuff. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. And this is the bit that's getting raw. So I'm just gonna put that in a container, season it up, and it's ready for the grill. I've got some habaneros, some onions, some peppers, ginger, some spring onions, and that's some bird's eye chili. And we're gonna blend that because that's the seasoning for all of the seafood. And yeah, so I'm just gonna plug it, blend that up nicely. I'm gonna use this up right here.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the bit.
Pleasant.
Nicely blended, and yep, so I'm gonna wear my gloves because yeah, that's what smart people do.
Oh my god.
Ain't nobody
What's this?
touching this spicy ass stuff with their hand, because that's how you get in
Are we
trouble.
making cupcakes?
Not today. We're making cupcakes, but it's not gonna be today.
When?
Okay? We're getting ready for surgery. Because I'm about to operate on this fish.
Can I operate?
No, you're not operating.
I want to operate.
I'm the surgeon. Okay?
Okay, can I be the nurse?
No. I don't need a nurse.
I want to be a nurse.
Man. It's a no.
I want to be a nurse. Fine, I'll take the slipper off and stuff you with it. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'd like to see it. Make sure you get every nook and cranny.
But there's not that many.
Oh, honey, there's a few. I'll show you.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Ew. What do you put it there? That's gross.
How is that gross? That's all the flavor. Okay?
Wait, can I make the menu? Like draw the menu. I'm gonna draw the menu, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put what's on the menu on the menu.
Okay, you do that.
I'm gonna get my book of menu.
Make it a nice menu, okay?
Okay.
Okay. That book of menu better not be my book of menu. Oh, you've got your own. Okay, cool. That's that. And she's getting wrapped in foil, so. And I'm aware some people actually do pull out the eyeballs of the fish. Not over here, honey. We don't do that because there are people who are going to be ready to eat that, okay? It won't be me, but trust. I'm
Okay,
sure there's
so
a person.
Okay. And you can put. Make
You know
the
what I
menu.
forgot? I forgot to add the. I didn't add my garlic, but that's okay. And then over here, we do the same.
Mommy, what's on the menu?
What's on the menu? Some tiger prawns. Some king prawn skewers.
Wait, but literally just said tiger trash.
Oh, because he doesn't eat any of this, which makes no sense.
Yeah.
Let me get the garlic.
He is not an African.
What did I say? That you're fired?
You need to eat one piece.
What did I say? After that. That's some garlic, guys. Oh, the ginger is smelling so divine.
Tiger prawns, what else?
Make sure you've got the flavors all up in the head,
What else?
because
What else
that's
is on
where the
menu?
business lies.
Mommy, what else is on the menu?
What else did I say? Some calamari. And then let's move over here. I will continue this good business by sticking more flavors in here. Let's give some love to the calamari as well. A prize for what?
How many items are there on the menu? How many things are on the menu?
Please, girl.
How many?
Your questions are beginning to bother me.
How many though? Give me an answer.
I've got like 4 things on the menu.
Okay, just 4.
Yeah, just. Are you the one cooking?
Yes.
No, not just. That's a lot of pressure, okay? It's just that I finessed this game.
That's gonna be some hot fish.
It is gonna be juicy and flavorsome.
And pasta.
Of course. What's the point of cooking all this if it cannot be spicy? Look at that. You pour it all up in here, and the rest, you just do that.
Ew. It looks pretty gross though.
How?
Onions.
How does it
Onions
look
are
gross?
spicy though.
Onions are spicy for your eyes only.
No. No, actually for your tongue too.
Excuse me, love. That's what we're doing.
One time I had the smallest piece of onion and then I started crying from the onion.
Okay.
I ate it though.
Okay, girl.
Calamari.
Okay, girl.
What else is on the menu?
What else?
It's cake on the menu. What
Are
is
you
there?
making it?
Is there dessert menu?
There is dessert.
What's on the dessert menu?
And now I'm gonna put some whole ginger
Wait, what about
inside the
what are the
fish.
starters? I need to know what the starters are. Because this is a restaurant.
Restaurant JK Kebab.
No.
What the?
Restaurant Safi and Dibber.
Restaurant Sophia Dado.
No, Restaurant Safi and Dibber.
Restaurant Sophia and Diva. When was the last time you helped me with anything in the kitchen? Other than eat. You're good at that.
I'm not good at that.
Oh, but you are.
No, no.
Oh, but you are.
I tried to help you putting it back in the thing in the oven, and then
And now-
I burned myself.
We are gonna give some
That's
love
what I
and
got.
some attention to the seafood soup. I'm gonna rinse this because it's still got some garlic flavors.
I'm gonna put seafood soup on the starters.
And that's what we're gonna put right here.
I'm putting seafood soup on the starters.
So, for the soup, what I've done is, this soup has got it's got calamari, some king prawns, and some crabs. And how I'm seasoning it is like I've got some barside chili, some ginger, that's some lime leaves, bay leaves, some coriander or cilantro, some onions,
What else
and
is on the menu?
yeah, some garlic and some flavoring.
What else is
And
on the
this,
menu?
I'm gonna rinse and add it here. And what I'm also gonna do, I'll show you the soup base. Like the base that I use for my soup, which is like
What else is on the menu?
everything and then some. Okay? Because I don't know where you're gonna be able to find it, but mine came all the way from Dallas.
Mommy?
So this is the
Mommy.
pièce de résistance, okay guys? Some tamarind soup base. My sister had to bring this all the way from Texas for me, because the last time I had this,
Auntie Bintu.
yeah, Auntie Bintu did. She brought it for me from Texas. And this is like my favorite thing in life. this is what I add to everything. So that's gonna go in there. But for now, we're just gonna put this here on the lowest heat because I'm not in no rush. Okay? I'm gonna put it on the lowest heat. And that's that. So I'm gonna start wrapping this up in foil. And that's my garlic.
What else is on the menu? I need to write the menu.
And I've also got some oysters
I said I'm making the
that
menu.
need to go in the soup. But I forgot to bring them out the freezer. So I'm gonna do that right now.
What else is on the menu?
Sorry guys. You know when you be talking and then you forget to do stuff? Do you know? If you only would allow me to be great, that'd be great.
No, really.
Oh.
What else is on the
Sophia
menu?
never, ever, ever.
Let me know what else is on the menu. Is that it? Is there only 3 things on the menu?
What do you have on there? What's listed there for? Like,
Okay.
Can you tell me?
Seafood soup, Thai prawns, and calamari. That's it.
Did you do the fish? Grilled fish?
No.
Okay, add that. And when you're done, can you do some placemats? Some place cards then. Mohammed. Okay. That's some olive oil, guys.
And then-
Because it's getting grilled,
And then dessert.
we're not trying to have I get stuck on nothing. So,
What's our dessert? What's for dessert?
cheesecake
Okay, that's it.
and ice cream. Yeah, that's that. Okay. And we're done with all the prepping, except for the skewers, which I'm about to do right this second. Oh, but first, let me play out the amazingness. Like foiled everything up nicely. Okay, girl. That goes on here. Cause, oh, I touched this with my hands. What was I thinking? Oh my God, I forgot, didn't I? I better wash that quickly. And that would be the calamari done. Okay, I mean a whole lot, not just a figment of my imagination. No, we like to season and we season well. Sophia?
Yeah?
You are aware that I'm recording. This is some pink Himalayan salt, some rock salt. Oh, but Sophia, I'm recording. Please stop.
I killed the bull.
You're mean for that. And then we parcel this up nicely.
It could fly.
Ready for the grill. We're gonna parcel her up just like the rest of this bad boys. Oh my God, no one's not gonna say I didn't season my food, okay? This food has been seasoned very well. Oopsie and a whoop. But this is pretty much all I want to do with her, because I kind of want the flames to touch her. So that's what we're doing. Rest of my tools. And I don't know how we're gonna fit her, or we will. We will find a way. Okay, this is for this lot. They're going in here.
When you guys are coming back
And
from my for me, okay?
is allegedly going on here. Okay, I don't know how we're gonna make it work, but we'll make it work. So that's that. Get everything ready, and that's my job done. I'm just gonna make some dressing for the salad now, because I'm not grilling, you see. Bae is grilling. And yeah, job done. Right here, and be cute. And he's gonna do all the grilling. And I'm gonna wait for him to come so we can put this in foil, because I don't know how to do that on my own. Like, she is a big 5 gallon fish, and I don't know how to put her in foil by myself. So let's put everything here, and then I'm gonna tidy up and finish with my salad. And I'm only responsible for the soup after this. And yeah, that's it. Jobs are done. Yay me! Go on.
Huh?
Tell the people what you're doing.
This is a cow.
This is a cow. You're the cow.
What's in the foil?
That is how
That's in the for red snapper. Very red snapper. I think this is okay, Mata, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is red. What as well you want to put in the foil? What you want to put as well? The tiger?
I already put. No, the tiger's going straight.
Ah.
Yeah, because it takes too long in the foil.
Really? Go.
It's going, Mata? So we go put it outside now?
Yeah.
Really come. I want to show you something.
Wait a second. Let me wash my hands. Coriander. So this oil is good for the body?
Yeah. It's very natural.
Extra. That's what it's looking like. The fish is in the foil still because it cooks very quick. But the tiger prawns need to be in here now. Look away from the light. Yeah, that should be that's what we're working. Do you see? Look at that color.
Put it again, baby Sabi.
That's huge. So, yeah.
This for me. This for me.
Okay. That's mine.
No, this two for me.
No, this is mine and that's yours. And this mine too.
What about the fish?
The fish?
For everybody?
Yeah, we can share.
And there's my seafood soup. Alrighty. It's been simmering for a while. Look at that. And now it's ready to be devoured. Yum, 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 yum. Some salsa. And that's the fish. All wrapped up nice. And I'm gonna take that out to grill while I'm not grilling. Babies. So yeah, that's everything. Papa, your finger is blocking the camera.
That's Sophia's fault. She distracted me.
No, you shouldn't be distracted when you're on the job.
Oh, I
Okay?
Huh? Oh, my dear! I haven't even done anything yet!
This is the current situation. I can't wait to show you the finished outcome. I better go check on my chips. Make sure that
Because that's about everything that I'm doing for the night, you guys. Ooh, it's coming along great. The fire's a bit slow though. The coal that we got this time is whack, okay? Because we've got like, this is like such a good Gambian snack. It's got like it's so...
I know, it's the best. That's why I asked for it so much.
Yeah. And it's got like a whole bunch of seeds in it. And then you just mix it with like sugar, salt, and chili. And
I'll keep it plain.
or you can keep it plain. But you never ever swallow the seeds.
Never.
Yeah,
Because it'll make you choke.
that's true. But worse. No, nothing could be worse than choking actually.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's the worst that could happen. Or you wouldn't be able to POO.
I don't know. Oh.
Oh,
Are you talking about the gross thing?
the gross thing.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
The thing that comes out of your
Oh, stop it. Don't even finish it.
The thing that goes out of your butt.
Yep.
Oh no.
Yep. That happens too. When are we gonna bake a cake? We should bake cupcakes, you know.
Yeah.
I even got everything. I've got the case.
But can I fix
Ooh,
my
do you know we can even do like icing and decorate it really cute?
Can I fix my microphone first?
I thought you said your microphone was fine.
But it's not. I lied.
You can borrow one of my mics. I've got 3. I've got 3 microphones.
What kind?
I've got a Rode mic, and then I've got 2 Rode mics and one that I don't know what it's called, but it's really good as well.
Like one's for singing.
It's Ask Nitty and the Grill. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hi. I like you. I like you. I will still like you tomorrow. You don't like me?
I like you too. All the time.
All the time? I think I like you better because you give me such a hard time.
Who gave hard time?
You do.
Mommy, you just have anger issues.
Mommy.
I have anger issues?
Yes.
You're such a liar. I'm the fun one here.
You're right. Alaikum salam.
It's a llama.
Can you tell these lovely people to subscribe, share my videos? Oh my god, you guys are hot. You have a YouTube channel?
I have 2.
Really?
Yeah.
Since when?
Always.
I had one since 2017 and I just made another one in December.
I thought you never wanted to be on YouTube. You've changed a lot, haven't you? Remember when
No, he doesn't use
banned
his
me
face.
from putting
I
any of
said-
our videos on YouTube?
I said he doesn't show his face in his videos. He just plays games for his videos.
I know, because Ibrahim doesn't like. Papa, stop. That's not safe.
If I didn't like being showing my face, then I wouldn't be in this video first of all. And secondly, you wouldn't even see me in the survival video. I would have been hiding the entire time.
That's true. These days, you like being the star of the show.
Because I am the star of the show.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
The aftermath.
What did you just do?
It's the aftermath. No, we bless the food. That's what happens. Look at that. The whole fish gone. The king prawns, they've disappeared. Or was it tiger prawns? They've disappeared into the stratosphere. Yeah.